Welcome to DesignerDigitals Tip of the Week, April 24th, 2010. This week, how to use digital paper clips. A few days ago, a customer emailed me to ask me how to make paper clips look like they're really clipped to paper. I thought it would make a great video topic for our weekly tip this week. When you purchase a kit or an element set with paper clips inside, the clips are whole, complete clips. So when you drag a clip onto a digital project, it looks as though it's just sitting on top of the page, or maybe like you accidentally dropped a paper clip on top of your paper. To make the clip look like it's actually clipping paper together, get the Move tool and drag your clip into position. Now when you're working with a PNG document like this, you'll need to position your cursor over an opaque section of the image and drag the image over onto your document. Move the paper clip into place using the arrow keys or your Move tool. Next, get the Zoom tool by pressing the letter Z on your keyboard and draw a box close around the clip to zoom in. This helps you get up close and personal with your paper clip so that you can work with it with more precision. The next thing I like to do is to reduce the opacity of the fastener to about 50% by selecting the clip over here in the Layers panel and then clicking on the word opacity. This highlights the contents of the opacity box. Just press the numbers 5 and 0 to make 50 on your keyboard and then press Enter. This reduces the opacity to about 50% so that you can see through the clip to the paper below. This will be really helpful to you in the next step. Next, get the eraser tool, which handily enough looks just like a little rubber eraser, and then choose a hard, round brush from the options bar here across the top of the editing screen. I'm going to drag the hardness all the way up, and then I want a small brush, about 17 pixels, so that I can work more accurately with my paper clip. Next, check to make sure that the paper clip layer is still selected here in the Layers panel, and then simply click and drag the eraser tool over the section of the paper clip that would be behind your paper if this were a real clip. Clicking and dragging erases away that section of the paper clip that you don't want to see. When you're finished, increase the opacity of the layer back to 100% again by clicking on the word opacity, typing 100 and enter on your keyboard. Now you can see that the paper clip really does look like it's clipped to the papers. You can use the same technique to attach string to tags. Just erase away the portion of the string that would be behind the tag, and then it'll look as though you've threaded it through the hole. Is there a technique that has you stumped? Email me at howto@designerdigitals.com with your idea, and I may be able to help you with a video tip too.